Hello students, hope you are doing great today. So today we will be solving another word problem on whole numbers. So let's start with reading the questions first. So the question is, Andy had 5 times as many stickers as Betty. After Andy had given 50 stickers to Betty, they had the same number of stickers each. So at the end they have same number of stickers. Okay. So part A of the question is how many stickers Andy had at first, and part B is how many stickers each of them had at the end. Now, we are given that Andy has had 5 times as many stickers as Betty. So if you have to draw a model for this, what do you think, how should we draw? Obviously, for Betty, it's 1 unit, and for Andy, it's 5 units, right? So let's draw it in our model. So let's say this one is for Andy. Okay, we have to draw it quite long because Andy is 5 times that of Betty, and Betty has to be very small, right, because she is only 1 unit. So let's write it. So this is Andy and this is Betty, right? Okay, so this is Betty. So for Betty it's only 1 unit, and for Andy it is 5 units. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's write it. So Andy is, you can see here, 5 times, and so that's why 5 units. Now the thing is, at the end they are becoming same, right? It's written here, after Andy had given 50 stickers to Betty, at the end they had the same number of stickers, right? So that means, what do you think? See here, the difference in between the number of stickers of Andy and Betty is how many units? See here, so Andy is here having 5 units, right? And Betty is only 1 unit. So difference in their number of units is 4. 5 units minus 4 minus 1 unit is 4 unit, right? So you can say the difference in the number of units of Andy and Betty is 4 unit. Now, how many units Andy should give to Betty so that they become equal, right? Obviously half of it, right? If he gives these two units to Betty, they will become same, right? So let's move them. Let's move these units to Betty. So we erase it from here. It's like Andy is giving it to Betty, and now Betty is having these 2 units, right? And you can see here that now both of them have become equal, right? So you can see here that now both are how many units? 3 units, right? 3 units. So how many units is given by Andy? It's 2 units, right? So why? Because Andy was 4 units more than Betty. So 4 units divided by 2 is 2 units. Okay. Now we know that in terms of stickers, how many stickers Andy has given to Betty? It's 50 stickers, right? So 2 units will be equal to how much? 50. So 1 unit will be 50 divided by 2, that will equal to 25. Now let's read the question again. How many stickers Andy had at first? So you know, right, that Andy is having how many units at first? 5 units, right? So we can simply find 5 units, which will be equal to 5 times 25, which will give you 125, right? So these are the number of stickers Andy had at first. So that's answer for your part A. Now, how many stickers each of them had at the end? So you can clearly see here that at the end, both Andy and Betty has 3 units, right? Andy is left with 3 units, and Betty, after gaining or getting 2 units from Andy, is now 3 units. So both of them are now 3 units. So how much is 3 units? It is 3 times 25, which is equal to 75. So both of them had 75 stickers at the end. So that's the answer for your part B. Okay, so that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye.